Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got this look here for you, but first thing first, make sure you click that subscribe button if you haven't, and if you have already, thank you. But yeah, so today I got this look here for you, which I used my Huda Beauty electric obsession palette, which is this. Like, I love this palette already. I actually bought it, my sister got it for me as a birthday present, and I was just in love with it. Like, the colours there is so not me. The colours are really not me. But when I was like, I need to come out of my comfort zone and do more of these colours more often. Like, they're really nice, and they're so pigmented, like, I'm telling you. But they're so pigmented to the point where there is no, like, the fallout is minimum. Like, it's so minimum. And I really love, that's why I really love this palette. It's so tiny, it's really, and traveling, when you're traveling, it's really easy to carry. You don't have to carry it, you don't have to think about having big palette in your bag, you know. Like, it's so small, like, it's so tiny. I really love it. I think they have like a few shades. Yeah, they have different shades, the same small palette but different shades. So this is the shade that I got, and it's £25. Yeah, it's £25. Really, it's a bit expensive, but not too much in a way. But it's worth it. Like, it's actually worth it. And it's got a mirror there, so you don't have to really, you know. I like the way it's just like, I just love the colours. I can do so much with these colours. Like, I'm not the normal me. If you know me, you know I don't really go for this type of, you know, look, or I'm more of a natural girl, neutral, and then just go with the flow, natural, that's it. But with this palette, I feel like I can do a lot with it. It gets me out of my comfort zone just to do more, like, just to create more looks for you guys, and I really do love it. I mean, so today I tried these two shades, these two, the dark blue navy, I could say, really dark navy, and then this is the shimmery that it comes with. Like, this is so, they're so pigmented, like, wow. But yeah, I'm excited to use this palette more often, and you guys are going to be seeing me using this because I love it already. Like, it's so pigmented. I used this colour yesterday, which I really do like also. So I'm going to be doing it step by step and then see what look I'll be coming up with. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for more of me using this palette because I'm in love with it. Make sure you stay tuned for that. And also let me know about what you think about it. Let me know if you would get your hands on this, and if you already have it, what you think about it. Also, just interact with me in the comment section. I would definitely reply to you guys. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Once again, I'm so happy to talk to you guys, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi guys, so as you can see, I already done my eyebrows off camera, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my NYX palette. I'm gonna go in with that shade just to put that on my crease as a transition color. As you can see, I'm just gonna blend that in. So now I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette. I'm going to use the dark navy blue to just put that on the outside corner of my crease, and I'm going to just blend that out. Now I'm going to use my flat Morphe brush. I'm going to go in with this glitter shade here. Just going to use my setting spray. I'm just going to take it. Yeah, that should move.
Cracky.
And then again with the darker shade of this one again. Just tap it on the outside corner. Just define it more. Because that's exactly what we're trying to do. I'm going to go in again with my brush and apply the shade on top as well. So make it more of it under, you know, that kind of line. Just gonna go back in the colours to clean. So now, as you can see, I'm just going to finish off my face with my normal makeup routine that I normally do. As you can see from my previous videos, it's nothing special. I use the same products on this video. So yeah.
Cracky.
Thank you guys so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope you do like it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you do, and also don't forget to comment down below on what you think and what you want me to do next. Until then, I'll catch you guys on my next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.